Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your birthday on your Twitter account. So let's start. First, open the Twitter app. Then you have to tap on the three bars on top left corner and then go to your profile. Now tap on Edit Profile. Now at the bottom you'll see the option to add your birthday. Now tap on that and then enter your birthday. Now when you are done, if you want to hide your birth year, then tap on Year. And you can see that it is selected on only you. I'll keep it like that. And your birth month and day will be visible to the people whom you follow and if they follow you too. Now tap Save on top right corner and then tap on Confirm. And that is how you can add a birthday to your Twitter account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.